Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So been a few months since I put up a video and I thought why not record this week of trading so you can see what my week of trading looks like. I had pretty good couple of weeks of trading last few weeks. Last week I took 4 trades and it all hit TP. Week before I believe I took 2 trades, both hit TP. Week before that I think I took 3 trades. First one hit stop loss and then 2 hit TP. So I'm on about an 8 win streak at the moment, so let's see if we can keep that going. And I'm also doing an FTMO challenge again, so my 4th account if I can get this passed. And let me just show you what that looks like currently. I'm on a new computer as well guys, so I'm still trying to figure out where everything is and all that. So just refresh it as a second. So it started on the 17th of Feb, it's now the 27th, so literally just been over a week and I've got ages left. So 6.5% up at the moment. Need to get 5 more trading days, but like I say, I've still got like 3 weeks or so, so that won't be a problem. So yet to have a loss on this account guys. So I've took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades so far. That was a trade that I just opened just to get the trading days up. So yeah, looking pretty good at the moment. 5 trades, 5 TPs, and need another 3.5%. But let me just show you my phone guys. I'll show you the 8 wins in a row so far, and we'll look at the analysis in a minute for this coming week. A couple setups I'm looking for. So FTMO account, let's go on the last month. So this is my last loss here on the 9th of Feb. So that's 1, those 2, 1, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, 8 win streak at the moment guys. Probably won't go on for much longer. Like I said, I've had a pretty good couple of weeks. But yeah, the markets aren't looking that good at the moment. Well, at least the first couple of days of this week. Gonna let things play out and add some analysis as we go. But I'll just run over a few setups. Yeah, and got this 50 fib with a key level and also the 50 EMA on the weekly. And we've got the 14 EMA on the monthly approaching as well. So monthly candle in 1 day. So see where this is after that. Daily, I believe we've got the 200, just above now. So yeah, the first confluence would be this these wicks over here, guys. But I'll have my pending just above the 50% fib because it's like 20, 22 pips different. So I'd need like a 50 pip stop loss if I took this as the first confluence. So I'm going to have my pending on the round number. As you can see to the right, 1.97. I'll probably have 1.9702. And then we've got the 50% fib, these wicks here, and obviously the EMA on the weekly. So yeah, good setup there. So GC, I'm looking at this break of the trend line, looking at a retest, but gonna have to wait for price to retrace so I can see if any fibs line up. I won't take this trend line by itself. So Euro USD, been looking at this setup for a while, but it looks like the EMAs are going too far now. We had a fib from this high to this low, which is also a round number of 1.16 with the EMAs, but yeah, as time goes on the EMAs are getting further and further away, so but I'll just keep an eye on it. GU, also trendline break retest. So we've got the 61 fib from this move down at the moment, that lines up here. You've also got these wicks here and these EMAs as well, potentially crossing over if we can get up there. But this pendant will have to hit Monday or Tuesday for this to line up, and we're still 80 pips away, so have to see about that. New Zealand dollar CAD, been looking at this for a few weeks as well. So it lines up nicely this week, so valid setup all week. We've got the trend line third touch. We've also got the 38 fib from this big move down and the 50 EMA, so really good setup there. And also the round number 0.87 just below as well. So Euro CAD miles away but looking good. Trendline retest, 38 fib, loads of EMAs on the monthly and the weekly time frame. But we'll have to assess things as we get closer if we even get up there. Hundreds of pips away, so nothing to look at the moment. Swiss yen, we've also got this 50 fib from this move up with this previous low here. We've got the 200 EMA on the daily as well, but unlikely that the 200 EMA be there if we get down like over here. The EMA would be too far up, so But yeah, that's pretty much it for this week so far, guys. Like I say, it's going to be a quiet couple days. I'll set a few of the pendants, and yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll add things as the week goes on, and I'll keep you guys updated when we get a trade or if something happens. Yo, what's up guys? So it's Tuesday afternoon now, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Didn't take any trades yesterday on Monday, and haven't taken any trades so far today on Tuesday. Closest pending's about 40 pips away, which is Australian dollar, US dollar. So I'll just show you my analysis on this pair a second. I mean, we've got GN as well, which is about 70 pips away from the pending now. So Australian dollar, US dollar. Let me just clear all the analysis. So we've got a 38 fib from the weekly. So from this point here, you see we put it there, we retraced more than a 61. So it moves down to the next low. So we've got the 38 fib there, which if you zoom in you can see we've got the 200 EMA just above as well, which also comes in line with this wick here. And if you go down to the daily time frame, we've got a third touch trend line as well. As you can see here, my entry is going to be 0.73100, so just below this wick here, so below the 38 fib as well, and I believe just under the 200 EMA, which is at 0.7312. So 35 pip stop loss, and first TP would be 35 pips. So I've gone for a 35 pip stop loss because if you put a fib on from here as well, just change your colour, you can see we haven't yet tested the 61 fib from this new fib we got here, which lies at 0.7335, so my stop loss needs to be above this. So yeah, we're about 40 pips away from this one, guys. Like I say, nothing else so far. This one is like 67 pips away now. But yeah, I'll keep you updated guys on what happens. It's only Tuesday, as you can see up the top right, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm just going to keep waiting, and like I say, I'll update when something happens. Yo, what's up guys? So 7 o'clock now, 4 hours ago since I last recorded. You can see we've been triggered into this GN trade, and it's running perfectly at the moment. About 32 pips profit so far. So I'm going to go ahead now and move stop loss to break even to cover my risk on this. Alright guys, so I've got stop loss to break even now, as you can see. And I've got full TP at 75 pips or so. So I'm going to try and get it up to 10k on this one trade. Like I say, I've got stop loss to break even, so I can't lose nothing. So worst case scenario would still be at 6.5% profit, but I need another like 2 grand or so, and that would equivalent to about 75 pips TP. So yeah, it'd be pretty good if we can get 75 pips on this. But yeah, we'll see what happens guys. I've full TP'd on my other accounts on this trade now, so that's pretty good. So yeah, that's about it guys for today. We'll check back in tomorrow and see what happens with this trade, and see if there's any other trades.
Yo, what's up guys? So Thursday morning now, 9 o'clock in the morning. Got triggered into this Australian dollar US dollar trade overnight. It's running about 14 pips profit so far. So TP is at 0.7274 I believe, so down here. The GN trade that I had on the challenge still went into profit here, then it come back, took me out at break even, and it would have stopped out anyway, so luckily I had my stop loss to break even. But yeah, I didn't make anything on this trade on the challenge, so I'm still at 6.5k. But yeah, this is probably going to be my last trade of the week. All the other pendings are so far away, so nothing really going on at the moment. But yeah, what I'll do is I'll update when something happens to this trade, either stop loss or TP, and then yeah, we'll go from there. What's up guys? So 3:30 now in the afternoon, still Thursday. Ended up getting stopped out on this Australian dollar US dollar trade. So 2 trades this week, 1 stop and 1 take profit. So I'm at 5% now on the challenge, and that's pretty much me done for the week, to be honest. I've got no pendings that are close. Of course, the week that I decide to record, literally hardly anything happens. It just goes to show that you're not going to make profits every single week. You're going to have slow weeks like this week. But yeah, I don't have to carry on recording the FTMO challenge or a week of trading. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you want to see it, then I'll do it. But yeah, that's about it for this video guys. Appreciate you watching, and see you in the next one.